Hello everyone. I'm just showing you my fireworks stash today, and we have an M150 and a flower charm. It spins on the round in two colors. It's red and it's green. I have the airport from Black Cat, and it turns out to be a fountain. And right here, it shows 3 black dots. Those are airplanes, and airplanes on the other side. Then right here, there will be a fountain, and then there's 2 aerials, basically mortars kind of that go up. And then I have my artillery bombs, 1.75 inches, basically 2 inches. Then I have my zips or speedballs, and they basically, put them on the ground, they spin in circles for like 2 seconds, and then they shoot up high in the sky. Then you have your parachutes, your old-fashioned parachutes. I have 2 of those. Then I have, I don't know, about 200 in total, probably, of little dynamites. Highly charged. Another box of little dynamites. A satellite dish. And as you can see in the bag, there's like a few M150s and little dynamite. And then one of the newer parachutes, it's a double parachute. And I have a 400 strip of firecrackers from Hog Wild. Tune in for the second part and whatnot.